A day before I did my first class, I was a shithead. I used to smoke 3 packets of cigarettes a day. I used to drink alcohol almost every day. I used to gamble so much that I had a gambling room in my house. I had one room for gambling. And I was big and unhealthy, but I was not unhappy. And I was alright, I was living my life, learning what I had to learn in that experience, in that part of my life, that phase of my life. But the day I did my Kundalini Yoga and my first session, I just cried. I don't know, I was not in a bad mood. Like how you're smiling now, I was smiling before the class. And I just cried for the whole session. Just cried and cried and cried and cried. And after I finished my class, it was in Rishikesh. And I had a friend who was coming from the other side. I was walking on the street. And he said, "What happened to you?" I got scared. I said, "Oh, what happened to you?" He said, "What did you just do?" I said, "I don't know. What happened?" He said, "Look at your skin. It's shining." I said, "Oh." So when you cry, you detoxify, you heal, and you glow. So one of the reasons why I did the Kundalini Yoga class, is because in the whole festival, there were like 4,000 people, and there were 300 out of those 4,000 were all wearing white clothes, like glowing, shining skin, beautiful eyes, and the Kundalini class and the Iyengar Yoga class was at the same time. I was Iyengar Yoga student. I don't know. My Iyengar Yoga teacher was Manusu Manos. He's the world number 2. For me, that's like my God, I don't want to do it, but I was so curious. So for 6 days, I didn't do Kundalini. For 6 days, I just did Iyengar, like that. And then on day 7, I couldn't resist. I went up to one girl. I said, "Excuse me, will it take your picture and audition you before you become a Kundalini Yoga student?" Right? I said, "You all look so beautiful. How can everyone be looking so beautiful?" She said, "Why don't you do a class?" I said, No. I'm a younger yoga student. I'm not going to do it. But then curiosity, thankfully, got the better of me. And the one class I did, it affected me so profoundly that I immediately, there and then, signed up for my teacher training course. I spent 45 days learning Kundalini Yoga to become a teacher, the teacher's training course. And the effect of that was that after 45 days, I went to a party. Now here is the guy standing next to me who I gambled with every Saturday, Sunday for 3 years. He's standing next to me. And after 10 minutes, I said, "Gaurav, hi." "Oh, fuck." He said, "What happened to you?" I said, "What do you mean what happened to you?" He said, "You're glowing, you like it. It's changed so much. I can't even recognize you." I said, "Okay, that's a good thing, right?" He said, "Yeah, what are you doing?" I said, "Don't worry, you won't be able to do it."